Welcome to my channel Ride Intro Zone. Today we're diving straight into a car that feels like it was designed to stir emotions before it even turns a wheel, the 2026 Jaguar GT 350. This is not just another performance coupe trying to chase numbers or follow trends. This is Jaguar reminding the world that speed, style, and soul can still exist together in one beautifully aggressive package. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Jaguar GT 350, it's clear that this car has presence. Jaguar's designers have taken inspiration from the brand's rich racing heritage and blended it with modern aerodynamics and sharp detailing. The long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance immediately signal that this machine means business. The front fascia is dominated by a bold grille finished in dark mesh, flanked by slim LED headlights that look focused and intense, almost like the eyes of a predator locked on its target. Subtle air intakes sculpt the bumper, not just for looks but to channel air efficiently for cooling and stability at high speeds. Moving along the side profile, the GT 350 shows off muscular fenders and clean, flowing lines that feel uniquely Jaguar. There's a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. Large alloy wheels, expected to be 20 inches as standard, fill the arches perfectly, wrapped in high-performance tires designed to grip the road with confidence. The side skirts sit low, emphasizing the car's athletic posture, while discreet GT 350 badging hints that this isn't a standard Jaguar coupe. Around the back, the rear design is just as striking, with slim LED taillights, a sculpted trunk lid, and a functional rear diffuser. Quad exhaust tips complete the look, promising a soundtrack that matches the aggressive styling. Under the hood is where the 2026 Jaguar GT 350 truly earns its name. While Jaguar has been moving toward electrification, this model is expected to celebrate performance in its purest form. The heart of the GT 350 is rumored to be a high-output V8 engine, possibly supercharged, delivering around 500 horsepower or more. That power translates into explosive acceleration, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time likely hovering around the 4-second mark or even quicker. The engine isn't just about raw numbers, it's tuned to deliver a thrilling driving experience, with instant throttle response and a deep, unmistakable exhaust note that reminds you why performance cars still matter. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a refined automatic transmission, likely an 8-speed unit, tuned for both smooth daily driving and aggressive performance when pushed. Paddle shifters behind the steering wheel give drivers direct control, making every downshift feel precise and engaging. Jaguar's performance engineers have also focused heavily on chassis balance, ensuring that the GT 350 feels planted and confident whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking winding back roads. The suspension setup is expected to feature adaptive dampers, allowing the car to adjust its ride quality depending on the driving mode selected. In comfort mode, the GT 350 can behave like a refined Grand Tourer, soaking up road imperfections and offering a smooth, composed ride. Switch into sport or track mode, and the car tightens up dramatically, delivering sharper steering response, reduced body roll, and a more connected feel to the road. This dual personality makes the 2026 Jaguar GT 350 appealing to drivers who want excitement without sacrificing everyday usability. Step inside the cabin, and the GT 350 continues to impress. Jaguar interiors have always been known for blending luxury with sportiness, and this model is no exception. High-quality materials dominate the space, including premium leather, Alcantara accents, and brushed metal or carbon fiber trim depending on the configuration. The seats are aggressively bolstered to hold you in place during spirited driving, yet they remain comfortable enough for long journeys. The driving position is low and purposeful, giving you the true sports car feeling the moment you settle in behind the wheel. The dashboard design is clean and modern, centered around a large digital instrument cluster and a responsive touchscreen infotainment system. Jaguar's latest interface is expected to support Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with built-in navigation and performance-focused displays. Drivers can monitor real-time data like boost pressure, engine temperatures, and lap times, making the GT 350 feel just as at home on a track as it does on city streets. A premium sound system, likely developed in partnership with a high-end audio brand, ensures that when you're not listening to the engine, your favorite music sounds incredible. Safety and driver assistance features also play a key role in the 2026 Jaguar GT 350. Despite its performance focus, this car doesn't ignore modern expectations. Advanced systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking are expected to be available. These features help make the GT 350 more approachable and confidence-inspiring, especially for daily driving. Jaguar understands that performance cars need to be versatile, not intimidating, and this balance is reflected throughout the vehicle. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Jaguar GT 350 is how it positions itself in the performance market. This car isn't just competing on horsepower or lap times, it's offering a distinct personality. While many performance coupes lean heavily into aggressive, almost harsh driving experiences, the GT 350 aims to deliver excitement with elegance. It's a car for drivers who appreciate speed but also value craftsmanship, design, and emotional connection. That's something Jaguar has always done well, and the GT 350 feels like a modern expression of that philosophy. On the road, the GT 350 is expected to feel alive and engaging. Steering is likely to be precise and well-weighted, providing excellent feedback through the wheel. The rear-wheel drive layout allows for playful handling, giving experienced drivers the opportunity to explore the car's limits while still maintaining a sense of control. Jaguar's traction and stability systems are designed to intervene smoothly, offering a safety net without completely dulling the driving experience. This makes the GT 350 enjoyable for both spirited weekend drives and more relaxed daily commutes. Fuel efficiency may not be the primary focus for a car like this, but Jaguar is expected to optimize the engine for better efficiency than previous generations. Advanced engine management, lightweight construction, and aerodynamic efficiency all contribute to making the GT 350 more practical than you might expect. It's a performance car that understands the realities of modern driving, balancing excitement with responsibility. From a brand perspective, the 2026 Jaguar GT 350 represents something important. Jaguar has been redefining itself in recent years, and this model feels like a statement of intent. It shows that the brand hasn't forgotten its performance roots and still knows how to build a car that makes people feel something. The GT 350 is a reminder that driving can be an emotional experience, not just a way to get from point A to point B. Pricing for the 2026 Jaguar GT 350 is expected to place it firmly in the premium performance segment. While it won't be cheap, it offers a compelling value when you consider the combination of power, luxury, and exclusivity. This is not a car you'll see on every street corner, and that sense of rarity adds to its appeal. For buyers who want something different from the usual performance options, the GT 350 stands out as a bold and confident choice. Customization options are also likely to be a big part of the GT 350 experience. Jaguar traditionally offers a wide range of exterior colors, interior trims, and performance packages, allowing buyers to tailor the car to their personal taste. Whether you prefer a stealthy, all-black look or a bold color that turns heads, the GT 350 can be configured to match your personality. This level of personalization makes ownership feel special, reinforcing the idea that this car is more than just a machine. As we look toward the future of performance cars, the 2026 Jaguar GT 350 feels like a bridge between eras. It embraces modern technology and refinement while still celebrating the raw thrill of internal combustion performance. In a world that's rapidly moving toward electrification, cars like the GT 350 remind us why traditional performance vehicles still have a place. They connect driver and machine in a way that's hard to replicate, delivering sensations that go beyond numbers and specifications. In everyday driving, the GT 350 is expected to be surprisingly livable. The cabin is quiet and comfortable when cruising, visibility is good for a car of this type, and the infotainment system keeps you connected. Yet, with a simple press of a button, the car transforms, unleashing its full performance potential and reminding you that you're behind the wheel of something special. That versatility is what makes the 2026 Jaguar GT 350 so appealing to a wide range of drivers. Ultimately, the 2026 Jaguar GT 350 is about passion. It's about the feeling you get when you start the engine, the sound it makes as it revs, and the way it responds to your inputs on the road. It's a car designed to be driven, enjoyed, and appreciated, not just admired from a distance. Jaguar has poured its heritage, design expertise, and engineering skill into this model, creating a performance coupe that feels both timeless and modern. If you're someone who values style as much as speed, comfort as much as capability, and emotion as much as technology, the 2026 Jaguar GT 350 is a car that deserves your attention. It represents a confident step forward for Jaguar and a thrilling option for performance car enthusiasts who want something different. That's what makes this car so exciting, and that's why the GT 350 stands out in today's crowded performance landscape. Thanks for watching and spending your time with Ride Intro Zone. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Jaguar GT 350, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car content, and I'll see you in the next one.